this Bravo, WHRU Bravo. So all PM, all blue, we will check because yeah, some blue here. This Bravo, because it means maybe no power if blue. Hot oil. I think this main header. This main header. See WHRU. See they are controlling. See this. I don't know what this by UN. Hot oil. See hot oil. Hot oil. Hot oil. This one maybe utility nitrogen. Utility nitrogen. Hot oil. Malay. I don't know what this yellow one. Maybe go to flare this one. FG gas flare.
Gas flare.
Yeah, gas flare this one.